All right, just got my new knock sensor. The old one's already out. I'm gonna see if I can slide this bad boy in there, and hopefully that will fix my problem and I don't have any wiring issues. But my old one came off in two pieces where they usually split right between that green and kind of the purple area in the metal. So we'll see. New piece, and let's see what size socket do I have. 15/16, which is basically the same conversion as whatever, I think it was a 22. It goes over the, I was gonna do it by hand first, but then I'll use the socket. Had to get some extensions to basically get down in there. It's against the block. Can't really see it, there's no way to really see it from the top, but I was able to get it out from the top, so that'll be the easy way to do it. Let's see if I can record this, but won't be a whole lot to see other than me just putting this part down in here. I gotta feel around real quick, make sure I know exactly where it goes. It goes right there, where the threads are. The part going towards that area. There it is. If I can just get the thread started with my big mitts. Of course, my arm is in the way. Sorry about that, folks. The hard part is getting the thread started. There we go. All right. Got it threaded in the hole. Now, let's see if I can see it. I can barely see the green piece, but now I know where I'm looking. Let me grab the socket. Sorry about the delay there. All right. Socket going in towards the sensor. All right. Put my socket on. Remember, ratchet on. All right. Get my ratchet off. Get my socket off. Now I gotta feel around in there and see if I can get that plugged back in correctly. Heard it click, but it snapped in there. All right, new knock sensor in. Let's go test drive. All right, new knock sensor 53708 on May 23rd, 2026. Cold start. Let's see what happens here. I didn't put my seatbelt on. Alright, seatbelt's on now, so it won't be beeping at me. So far, so good. Need to go. We're getting ready to go somewhere in another car, so I'm having to do a quick test drive and get back to the garage. Let it get up to operating temperature, and it should, I'm gonna call it good after that. Just gotta go back in the basement down there. Call it good. I think it would have already thrown a code by now. Sorry. Thank goodness. codes. We'll call that good, I guess. Thank God.